Okay, so you're going to make a sandwich. But we're going to do rice sandwich. Rice sandwich.
Rice sandwich.
Ano ito? Seaweed.
Seaweed.
Only
Queeroy likes seaweed.
Mm-mm.
Likes seaweed. He eats that for life.
Okay, cut natin. Diyan.
Yan. Sa plate ko. Mommy,
Okay, so first, put ka muna ng rice. Dito, sa isang square.
My rice.
Oh, put ka ng rice.
You know, I don't know how to put rice. Dito or dito?
Sa isang square.
Dito?
Opo, dyan.
No, dami. Ay. Ay.
Okay.
Parang square.
Sa isang square.
Apa. Like, I ate this. sa kapon sa school, my classmate Justin just eat this.
Put na. Isang egg. Dito.
My egg. It's so lucky. So lucky. Dito.
Ito
Okay.
po. Dito.
Next to the right.
Tapos, spam. Dito po.
Spam. Spam.
Dyan.
Wow.
Then, you can put cheese.
Where?
Dito po. Yan.
How many?
You, how many do you want? Dito po. Dito.
I forgot. Like this or like this? Like this or like this?
It's up to you. What do you want?
Like this.
Do you want to put two?
There's two.
Doon.
There's space.
The middle.
Wait, where's the other?
Any? Sige na. Okay. Dito. From the rice. Dito. Kunin mo yung sa rice. Then, fold mo siya sa egg. Ganun mo siya. Yan. Then, put mo siya dito sa kabila.
No, what? Ganyan?
Yan. Yan.
Ganyan.
Okay. Then, the cheese.
Mommy, where's your cheese?
Go.
Why you not cheese? Yeah.
Okay. There you have it. My rice sandwich.
My
show them.
rice sandwich.
Rice sandwich.
That's-
Okay.
This is for